Hello everybody, welcome. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. We specialize in the common rail injector. Today I want to show you some of our product, this valve assembly. If you're interested about this one, please follow me, okay? We package with the VCI anti-rust bags. And this is our label, the Shumatt logo. If you want to print with your own logo, contact us. The logo, label, packaging bag, and so on, customize the services. Product code F00RJ02429. Application model number 0451201178, 0451202333, 0451202258. The QR code, other informations. The inside packages, we have two forms of packages. Let's talk about one of them. This one. The inside is like this. Open it. This is the whole side. Also, we sell the separate part, like this one. The valve cap. For our valve cap, we had here this part. We have the coating with some curved letters on it. Yes. And for this one, this is a valve roll. For our valve roll, we have different sizes and lengths. If you want other sizes, contact us, okay? Yeah, that's all the details about our product. Actually, here I want to share with you 3 tips for you. The first, clean it with the oil. The second, make sure the valve cap can in the right position. The third, make sure the valve roll can be moved smoothly. Okay, that's all the tips I want to share with you. Let's talk about the warranty. For our product, we have the 6 months warranties. Yes, during this time, if you're not satisfied with the qualities, you can contact us and we can exchange the product for you. Okay, that's all about today's product introduction. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.